Hello, the question is one from paper 1, the year 2000, and its question is 7. It's a continuation of our consideration of trigonometry. The question reads, given that sine of theta is 2/3 and is an acute angle, find A, tan theta, giving your answer in third form, B, sec squared theta. Let's look at the solution. Well, the question we want to look at is paper 1, 2000. Paper 1, 2000. Paper 1, 2000 KCSE. Paper 1, 2000 KCSE. Question 7. Question 7. It happens that I sat for this paper that's the last 24 years ago. So we say sin of theta, the question is sin of, given that sin of theta is equal to 2/3 and is an acute angle, Find 1 tan theta, giving your answer in third form. So this is A, this is B, and B, sec squared theta. So that's what we want. Given that sine theta is 2/3 and it's an acute angle, find tan theta, giving your answer in third form. But A, sec squared theta. So first, if we are given sine theta and part A requires us to get tan theta, we should remember that tan theta is equal to sin theta over cos theta. So it means that if we want tan theta, we first have to figure out what cos theta is. But the information we have is sin theta is equal to 2/3. So for us to get expression for cos theta, we remember our Pythagorean identity, which states that sin squared theta plus cos squared theta should be equal to 1. That should imply that cos squared theta is equal to 1 minus sin squared theta. So, and that then should mean that cos squared theta is 1, this 1, minus sin squared theta, which is this. Now we square this, which is 4/9. So it's 1 minus 4/9, which is equal to, so if I have 9 here, it will be 4. So it's 5/9. So cos squared theta is 5/9. That should then imply that cos of theta is √5 divided by 3. √5 divided by 3. That's cos theta. Cos theta is √5 divided by 3. Therefore, tan of theta will be sin of theta, which is 2/3 divided by 5/3. 5/√5 over 3, which is 2/3 times 3 over root 5. And that is 2 over root 5. 2 over root 5. So tan theta is 2 over root 5. Tan theta is 2 over root 5. Then we are asked to get sec squared theta. So we remember that sec squared theta, if I call it B, sec squared theta should be 1 over cos of theta. Actually, sec theta should be 1 over cos theta. And so sec squared theta should be 1 over cos squared theta. So, which is 1 divided by, what is our cos theta? Divided by root 5 over 3. Which means it will be 3 over root 5. The reciprocal will be the sec theta. So it then means that sec squared theta, this implies that sec squared theta should then be this squared, which will be 9 over 5. 9 over 5. That is sec squared theta. And that's the solution to that particular question. And I stop at that point and see you in the next video.